Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share a location from Organic Maps. First, open the Organic Maps app. Once the app is open, tap on the search option at the bottom of the screen. Now search for the place or location you want to share. Once you find it, select the location. You'll now see the details of that place on your screen. Here, look for the share icon and tap on it. You'll then see different apps and sharing options available on your device. Simply choose the app or contact you want to share the location with and send it. And that's how you can easily share a location from Organic Maps. This video is made for educational purposes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more useful app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.